straight ahead. And just for practice, we'll change lanes when there are a lot of cars. So indicate right and leave it on, but don't check the blind spot if there's a car within your length of your car. So slow down to allow, and now he's letting you. Look over your shoulder now, but don't reduce your speed. Now keep going, because if you reduce your speed, no one's going to allow you to get in, you know. So again, for practice, back to the left, it's a slight curve, so that can be tricky. Indicate left, shoulder, mirror, shoulder, straight in slowly, like that. That's it. Beautiful. And secondary check to see if anything's changing, you know. Now, it's changing from 70 to 60. Whenever you have two signs side by side, it always represents a new speed limit. And if it's only one, it means it's a reminder of what the speed limit is anyway, you know. Okay, for practice, indicate right, mirror, blind spot, that's it. Secondary check, that's good. A little bit less sharp angle, but it's not too bad, you know, so. Now, it's always risky changing when you're slowing down significantly and when you are getting closer to the solid, unbroken line. So the traffic lights are places where you would cancel your indicator and reattempt later on if that's what you were intending to do earlier. Okay, so you would abort here, and then when you pass the intersection, such as now, let's indicate left, just for practice, mirror, blind spot. Okay, did you check the blind spot? Because I was checking at the same time with you. Did you check?
Yes.
Okay,
All right.
And always remember to have a good, nice sort of posture without, you know, pressure to the steering wheel. So elbows should be fully relaxed. Okay, just for practice, when you've got a car there, indicate right, don't reduce. Look over your shoulder, because he's just at the sort of right distance. Follow up. Okay. So try not to move the steering with your neck and torso, okay? So try to disconnect your steering wheel through your elbows. So let's try that better. Loosen up completely. Indicate left to change. Mirror, look over your shoulder. So you don't pull. So you don't pull the steering with your body. Do you know what I mean? Because that's what happens to a lot of people, and they fear checking blind spot because they believe they're going to lose the straight sort of trajectory. So when you're checking your blind spot, your neck and upper body swivel a little bit like that, but your hands stay where they are. And even some experienced drivers say that they fear changing lanes on the freeway at high speeds, and especially, you know, when they have to check the blind spot if they believe there could be, you know, someone there. But look, in the traffic, like, you know, as dense as this is, and especially on freeways and highways, guess what? There are cars everywhere all the time. So how likely is it that someone's going to be in your blind spot? Very.